This is the cheapest rugged phone of 2024. It is called the Hotwav T7. This is Hotwav's second rugged phone of 2024. And although this rugged phone is very cheap, its specs are actually quite okay. So if you're looking for a very cheap rugged phone, then you might want to check out the Hotwav T7. And speaking of cheap, the price currently on AliExpress is about $92, guys. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description for you to check it out by yourself. Anyway, let's explore its top specs and features. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is available in black and red colorways. It has a really nice design. At the back of the phone is a circular module that contains dual cameras and an LED flash. So in terms of specs, the phone has a 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and the display is protected with a Dragon Trail glass. The device is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 processor paired with 4GB RAM, and it supports an additional 4GB virtual RAM expansion, meaning you can expand the RAM virtually up to 8GB. And it has a 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via microSD card. In the camera department, the phone features a dual rear camera setup as mentioned earlier, and the main sensor is 21MP, while the front facing camera is 8MP. The phone packs a moderate 6280 mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Now the battery may not be as big when compared to the battery of many other rugged phones, but it is still quite large in my opinion because it's a 6280 mAh battery. It is guaranteed to be able to last a day on a single charge and with moderate use. The phone ships with the Android 13. I don't think it's going to be getting the Android 14, but that's okay. This device is very cheap. So other features includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military-grade standard H10H certified, meaning it is water resistant, dust resistant, and it is also resistant to high-pressure water jets. The device is also designed to be able to survive different environmental conditions. So it has the same durability features as the much more expensive rugged devices. So the device also has GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, OTG, but it lacks NFC, and this device is among the thinnest and lightest rugged phones that I've actually talked about. It has a thickness of just 12.8mm and it weighs 292 grams. So these are some of the top specs and features of the Hotwav T7. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in this device, make sure to check the link in the video description. It's currently available on AliExpress for about $92. It's not going to last forever. The price is likely going to increase. In fact, its original retail price is $179. So if you want to get it, I think this is the best time for you to get it by using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.